Have you been struggling with digestive issues, feeling bloated, or just wanting to boost your overall health? Stick around because today we're diving into the secret benefits of fermented foods that you need to know about. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these tasty additions can totally transform your well-being. So let's get started. Let's kick things off by breaking down what fermented foods are. Fermented foods are basically those that have been transformed by the action of microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. Think of classics like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. They've been around for centuries, but recently they've taken the health world by storm because they're packed with probiotics, which are those good bacteria that can do wonders for your gut health. And let's be real, who doesn't want a happy gut? In this video, we'll explore why these foods are not just trendy, but essential for keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. Now that we know what fermented foods are, let's talk about the types we'll discuss today. We've got yogurt, which is creamy and delicious. Kimchi, a spicy Korean dish that packs a punch. Sauerkraut, the classic fermented cabbage. And kombucha, that fizzy tea that some of you might love or hate. Along with these, it's helpful to have a basic understanding of gut health. You see, our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. Keeping that balance is crucial for everything from digestion to our immune system. So, if you're ready to dive into this world of tasty and healthy treats, let's go. Now let's get into the juicy part, the benefits of consuming fermented foods. First up, improved digestion. When we eat fermented foods, we're essentially giving our gut a boost of beneficial bacteria that help break down food more efficiently. This means less bloating and discomfort. Next, we have enhanced nutrient absorption. Fermented foods can help our bodies absorb vitamins and minerals better. For example, the fermentation process breaks down compounds that can inhibit absorption, making nutrients like iron and zinc more accessible. And let's not forget about better immune function. A healthy gut plays a significant role in a strong immune system. The probiotics found in fermented foods can help balance the gut microbiome, which is linked to better immune responses. Finally, mental health benefits. Believe it or not, our gut health can affect our mood and mental well-being. There's even research suggesting that a healthy gut can help reduce anxiety and depression. So, munching on some kimchi might just brighten your day. Now let's take a look at some visuals of these amazing fermented foods. Here's a beautiful bowl of creamy yogurt topped with fresh fruits and nuts. Just look at that texture. Now check out this vibrant kimchi. It's not just colorful, it's bursting with flavor. Over here we have some classic sauerkraut, perfect for topping on your favorite sandwiches. And lastly, here's a refreshing glass of kombucha, fizzy and delicious. Just imagine sipping on that on a sunny day. And look, here's someone enjoying a hearty bowl of yogurt and granola. Doesn't that just make you want to dig in? Let's chat about some practical tips for incorporating these fermented goodies into your daily meals. First, when you're shopping, always check the labels. Look for products that say live in active cultures, because that's where the magic happens. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try making some at home? It's easier than you think. For example, you can make yogurt using just a few ingredients and a little patience. Just grab some milk and a yogurt starter and you're good to go. Also, start slow. If you're new to fermented foods, introduce them into your diet gradually. This way, your gut can adjust without any uncomfortable surprises. You could start with a couple of spoonfuls of sauerkraut or a small glass of kombucha daily. Now, let's tackle some common misconceptions about fermented foods. Some folks worry about probiotics and whether they actually do anything. The truth is, while everyone's gut is different, many people find that incorporating probiotics helps with digestion and gut health. Another concern is digestive issues. If you're prone to bloating or discomfort, you might be worried about adding these foods to your diet. The key here is to listen to your body. If you find certain fermented foods don't sit well with you, try others or consult a health professional. And don't forget, not all fermented foods are created equal. Some store-bought options can be high in sugar, so make sure to do your research and choose wisely. So, to wrap it all up, fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha offer a treasure trove of health benefits. From improved digestion and nutrient absorption to better immune function and even mental health boosts, these foods can play a crucial role in enhancing your overall well-being. So why not consider adding at least one of these into your diet? All right, it's challenge time. I want you to try one new fermented food this week. Whether it's a tangy yogurt, spicy kimchi, or that fizzy kombucha, give it a shot. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Did you love it or hate it? Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.